everyone, welcome to a new episode. Now, for those of you who want a step-by-step for how to create a new wallet using this new Mu beta version, that's a new Ethereum wallet that is, I will take you through the steps using the mnemonic phrase option. For those of you who are interested in learning more about the new tools you can access with this new update, that will be covered in the second half of this video, and also timetables will be provided down below in the video description so you can skip around if that's what you want to do. So when it comes to wallet creation on Mu or My Ether wallet, there are different options available. For example, you can access your Ethereum address associated with your hardware wallet by plugging in your hardware wallet and following the prompt. It's very straightforward. Now, if you're wondering why anyone would want to do this, it allows you to do things like conduct more advanced transactions, make swaps, purchase ENS domains, and other things as well without having to move your coins from your hardware wallet. Now, Mu considers this a safer option than what I'll be showing you today because you are protected again with your physical device having to push the buttons to confirm the transactions. And of course, you also have to know your PIN to access your hardware wallet and have it plugged in and all of that good stuff. Okay, so when you first visit this site, you're presented with a number of warnings and other general information about the site, how you are solely responsible for keeping track of your passwords, key store files, and mnemonic phrases. Now, Mu does not store any of this information, which is good for you because you don't have to worry about their methods of securing your information. But again, this means that that responsibility now rests in your hands. Now, it looks like they're pushing their Mu Connect app pretty hard here, but I'm going to bypass that option. If you choose to create a new wallet using the key store file or mnemonic phrase options, it is very highly recommended that you complete that entire process with your Wi-Fi and or internet connection completely disconnected. Now, I will destroy the password and mnemonic phrases associated with the wallet that I am setting up in this guide, so please don't send any Ethereum or ERC20 tokens to it. Also, if you want to try and access it, go ahead because I won't be depositing anything into it. Okay, so getting into this setup process. First, create a secure password. To make this easier on yourself, use a password generator website and write it down. You'll notice that you have a choice between creating a 12 or 24 word mnemonic phrase. The more words, the more secure this is. But remember that the overall security of this wallet will depend on how you choose to store these passwords and phrases. Write them down with a pen and paper. Make sure you write the correct word with the correct corresponding number regarding your mnemonic phrase, and store that information in a secure place that won't get lost, that won't get destroyed or stolen. Now, once you've gone through the setup process, you'll notice that you'll have to again choose the method that you used to create the wallet and import your newly created password and mnemonic phrase, because again, that is the method that I used to create the wallet. Now you have a lot of options already. You can choose which network you'd like to interact with. There's Ethereum, which is the Ethereum mainnet, Ethereum Classic for those who want to transact with Ethereum Classic coins, and a host of other networks. Now, you're also given what seems like an endless supply of public addresses to use, and this is great because it helps you to further decentralize your holdings. It's also very helpful in that it lists the balances of each wallet, making it easier for you to choose which wallet you want to interact with. Now, if you want to switch between these different wallets, keep in mind you'll need to input your password and phrases again. Remember, each time you input your passwords and mnemonic phrase or your key store file, make sure the Wi-Fi is disconnected. All right, once in the wallet, you have options like changing the wallet, accessing the QR code associated with a wallet, creating a paper wallet, which you can print out and store in a secure place. And the balances option also shows your holding in terms of Bitcoin or rep. Now to the right, you'll see a whole lot of ERC20 tokens. This list is ginormous. Their balances will show here if you have sent any to this particular address. Now, if the token you're looking for somehow isn't included in this humongous list, you can still manually add it using the custom tokens link. If you don't know how to do this, check the link to my video that goes over this process in the upper right-hand corner right here. Now let's take a gander at the swap tab. Remember, if you are swapping Ethereum for Bitcoin, you will need to provide your Bitcoin address because, remember, Bitcoin can't be stored on an Ethereum wallet. It needs its own home, and it's your responsibility to provide that. You can use Changely or Biddy for executing the swap, and you can see the exchange rate of each, as well as the fees that will be incurred. So you can also use the integration with Kyber to swap Ethereum for ERC20 tokens, and Simplex to purchase coins or tokens with your credit card. Kind of a one-stop shop situation. Mu is also setting itself up to be DApp friendly, and we're seeing this with the ability to use the Safe Send tool. Now, this is a great tool that will analyze the address you would be sending your coins to. It will double check that that address isn't associated with any known scams or scammers, so it's a little bit of a safety net for those who are feeling maybe uncertain of the recipient that you will be sending your coins to. You will need to use a MetaMask plugin to use this feature, however. This is also where you can check out the ENS, which is the Ethereum Name Service option. If you don't know what ENS is, again, check the link in the upper right-hand corner so you can get a little handle on that. So this tool allows you to purchase, or more precisely, rent a specific name that you can use to represent your public wallet address, making it easy for people to send you coins. Think of it as creating a custom name for your wallet. If you have any questions about any of these processes or other issues, please check out the Help Center link found at the bottom of this page. I will also include a link to this in the video description. It is full of a ton of information and common problems and just some really good insights. So check that out.